Hello, 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 everyone. Today I'm coming at you with a very exciting, very highly anticipated video. I mean, you didn't anticipate it because you didn't know about it, but I have been. I've been waiting and waiting for a full month, and finally here we are. Today we're going to be unboxing my brand new cloth and paper order. It literally took close to a month to receive, so I'm quite excited to unwrap it, unbox it, and also just a quick update. Basically, we're making a complete change, and I'm doing a complete haul and overhaul of my planner setup for 2021. So in a separate video, we will be kind of setting everything up, and I will show you the system that I'm using, the system that I'm leaving. I'm not going to be using the Erin Condren planner that I had up to this point. It doesn't suit my style. We'll go over that in a separate video. But if you are brand new, welcome, welcome. My name is Meshi. I'm so glad that you are here. We are meeting here. I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's just, if by the way, side note, if you love planning videos, if you love intentional living, consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's dive right into this box. Okay, so I literally placed this order. Hopefully you can see. I placed this order right before Christmas or around Christmas time. Unfortunately, I missed the deadline for the subscription box. This is just an actual order, so I thought that we would unbox it together. So here we are. Here's what it comes with. I will be that annoying person that noises all throughout. That's okay. Let's just get rid of the box because we're not going to need it. Oh my God. Girl, you are worth it. You are worth the wait. Let's just say that. I am actually I'm not new to planning, but I am new to cloth and paper, obviously. And I am new to like that minimalistic style planning. So that part is going to be quite new for me. Okay, so let's go and dive right in. First is an Ollie Clip, which I think this was like the only color that they had. Was that not the most satisfying sound you've ever heard? Oh my goodness, that's so pretty, you guys. Oh, super cute. Okay, so reminder, the harder you work, the luckier you'll get, right? Can we please? This is super cute too. So this is a little thank you card. Thank you so much for your purchase and welcome to the Cloth and Paper family. Share, ready, set, share your new setup with us on Insta. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, let's see what. I think that's just my receipt. Yeah. Can set that aside. Okay, now the nitty gritty, you guys. You guys, no joke. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me unwrap everything real quick because there's nothing more annoying than listening to this crinkling sound. I know some of you cringe when people do that. Okay, I'm just gonna do just one crinkly sound. Just rock with me here. Ooh, these are the ash flags. Wow. I don't know why I'm like sighing over this, but okay, let's put it here in the back. Wow, right? Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, let's unwrap everything. I'm going to just get them out of their packaging and then we can go through it. So, we'll be right back. Okay, here we are. Some of it I have unwrapped just so that our job becomes a little bit easier. Some of it I'm actually kind of keeping it in its packaging only because I want to kind of take it apart once I'm actually setting up the planner, which might actually be the next video. So if that video is ready, I will just leave it in the description so you can actually just check that out. But let's begin. So the first thing that I got is this to-do sticky note, which I thought was just so elegant and cute and very, very simple. And I love just a very basic sticky note that just has like the very clean, elegant look. I also got this little card that says minimalism, and isn't it funny? Like, I don't know if you can see. Actually, let's put it over this. It's a noun, and minimalism is most generally refers to a style or approach that uses a small but impactful number of elements. Isn't that funny? Because really, like, if you've seen any of my videos on when I was talking to you about intentionality, my like sort of phrase or word of the year is actually less but better. So that's what this whole haul really represents. Is I just wanted this like a clean, streamlined approach to planning to pretty much everything. So here we have like a full year at a glance dashboard. This is vellum, as you can tell. Here we go. It looks super stunning. Oh my God, I love this. And you can add like the little dots on there. The other dashboard that I got was the inbox one, which I was hoping to just add like the sticky notes or some of these dots that I bought. Again, love it. And as you can tell, the size that I ordered is the A5 6 ring. Let's get you zoomed in. Okay, here we have a digital declutter, which once again, it just spoke to my heart. So here it gives you daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly sort of things to do. And then here we have a beautiful quote, another dashboard. People romanticize their plans but dread the execution. The magic you're looking for is in the work you are avoiding. Amen to that. Now for dividers, I actually bought these clear, I think these are like the clear glass ones, and the actual dividers are white. It is a little bit hard to see on camera, but it says schedule, list, projects, finances, goals, and ideas, and miscellaneous. And then here we have some dated monthly inserts. And I also have the dated daily inserts. So let me just get that out of the way so that it's not glaring you in the face. And then here we have some teardrops. So I bought the linen. I bought some cotton dots. There's the Amalfi Coast teardrops as well. And the mauve color, once again, super beautiful. And I only bought these little flags. This is the ash page flags. But for now, I didn't want to go too crazy with ordering too many things, because reality is that my my subscription box is also starting. So because I wanted to kind of try them out as a subscription box, as well as obviously place some base orders so that I can actually set up my planner. So this is all I got, but honestly, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm just so stoked. I also, in the setup, we'll go over like all of the supplies that I actually ordered already, because I've been using the A6, like the A5 binder. I've already been using it. I already had like a base setup. It's not perfect, but it was definitely functional for what I needed. But I've been literally just waiting for this order to come in so that I can not only show you what I got, but I can also at least unbox it. We can kind of look at it together. So I didn't want to keep this video too long. This is all I wanted to show you at this point. And in the next video, stay tuned so that we can actually set everything up, and I'll show you how I'm kind of planning on organizing it all and why I switched to begin with. That's all I wanted to share with you. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you are as excited as I am about cloth and paper. Let me know in the comments below if you are using cloth and paper and how are you liking it. I would love to hear from you. And of course, if you are brand new, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. That way you get like notified whenever we chat here. And in the meanwhile, just keep planning, you guys, and keep shining your light. And I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.